If your backyard feels unusable because of the harsh sun, this is what I switched to. I was gifted this 8x20 sunshade in the beige color, and I wanted something big enough to actually create real shade, not just look good. Right away, you can see the double grommets on the corners, which is huge for durability. As I lay it out, you can really see the size of this. This covers a good amount of space. The fabric has a nice weight to it, but it's still breathable, so it's not going to trap heat underneath. When it comes to setup, it's super straightforward, and you can really customize it based on your space. It comes with zip ties and rope for setup, so you have options depending on how you want to hang it. I installed a hook into my overhang and started attaching the first corner. Then I repeated the same thing on the other side and making sure I pulled it tight as I went so it's going to stay secure. Because it has grommets down all four sides, you can help distribute the tension better and keep it from stressing or tearing over time, especially if you get wind. For the third side, I used a DIY pole to get the height and angle that I wanted and was able to attach the shade right onto it. And then I secured the last corner to my pergola to finish it off. And this is the final setup. Look at that difference. It creates a full shaded area, making it so much cooler and actually usable.